How to fix Telegram messages on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram messages on Android phone. And here first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store and check if there's an update here, and then just update your phone and that can fix any problem that you have. And if that doesn't fix your problem, so just go to settings and go to apps and then apps again and type your Telegram and click on it, and after that click force stop and then click storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix it then go to data usage and allow all of those here, and then restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.